Log into your Chat Ammo account and browse the left-hand side menu, and you will see the comment feature, and just below that, the comment growth tool. Clicking inside, we see a whole host of features that Chat Ammo can carry out for you. We have features that work through Facebook and Instagram, but don't worry. We also cover other platforms a little further, so you can be completely omnipresent. One of the most used features of Chat Ammo is the comment growth tool. It can automatically comment on our post and reply to any comments and automatically send a private message to the commenter. Beat the algorithm. Before we go into how to set this all up, let's first go through why this feature is so important. As you maybe already know, both Facebook and Instagram only show your business page posts to around 6% of your followers. Meaning that if your page has 1,000 followers, the platforms will only show your posts to around 60 of your followers, which isn't a very good average. The reason for this is Facebook and Instagram want you to spend money on ads or boosting posts, both of which bring extra income into the two platforms. However, even more vital than you spending $5 on a boosted post or an ad is if your pages are of interest to the platform's users. Both Facebook and Instagram have to keep their users interested within their platform. They do this by sharing interesting posts. But how do they know which posts are interesting? Well, it is by likes, comments, and DM. But all are not created the same in the algorithm's eye. For example, a simple click of the like button doesn't make the user very long. So it is ranked pretty low, however a heart emoji will score slightly higher. But it's the comments and DMs that the algorithm is trained to love. It means that somebody has taken the time out of their day to leave a comment on your post. If you comment back, that is also ranked highly as you engage your customers. Now, suppose that customer liked your post. In that case, the algorithm will look through not only your followers, but also some of that person's friends. Now it knows your post is interesting in that kind of person. So it will show it to more people who fit that profile, which comprises over 100 data points. This is why you will often see a person's page ask if you want something to do or leave a comment. Of course, they don't want to answer all of these comments, but will do it because the algorithms will love them. So, if they reply to a comment or send the comment, leave a DM. So it is a huge step to make sure that your comment and use questions in your posts, and yes, you can still boost posts if you need to. Now obviously, if you are answering all of these posts, you would spend your entire day on your social media, which is not something we want to do. However, with great power comes great responsibility. For example, suppose you send the same message back to all of your comments. In that case, you will not get your post shown enough, so we have made it possible for you to set up various answers to questions and automate the different answers from your page. We also decided that we didn't want any sneakiness from various other software that can add the people who comment on your post as a competitor's friend, so we have also given Chat Ammo the ability to hide the commenter and comment after we have replied. No more losing customers. We can also filter comments to block bad language or any other words or sentences you would like. Sound good? Let's dive in. So the first thing that we are going to do is log into Chat Ammo and scroll down the left-hand side menu until you see the comment growth tools. Don't worry, the Facebook and Instagram work around the same way. First, let's click inside the comment template. Chat Ammo will bring us another page. Now click on the Create New Comment template, which is where we will build our comments to reply with. First, we will need to name this comment to find it easily when needed, and then we can add our comment. We can also add variations to these critical comments by clicking the small Add Comment button, so Facebook and Instagram will show our posts to more people. I always aim for around 5 different comments, which means I can set and forget this tool after it has been set up. After you have added your various comments, click the Save button and we are ready to move on to our next task. Once saved, head back into your comment growth tools and hit the Reply template. Now click on the Create a New Template, ready for us to build the DMs that we will send to our comments to boost our engagement further. Within this screen, we are faced with a significant number of choices, so let's go through each so you know what they can do. Select the page where you would like the DMS to be sent from and where you would have the post in, so which business page are you posting from? Each business page has to be set up with various replies suitable for that particular page. Next, what would you like to do about offensive comments? If neither of these sliders is turned on, the offensive comments will appear under your post. I would suggest deleting them, or at the least hiding them. In the box just below, you can enter the comments you wish to hide. Would you like to send a message to the people leaving offensive comments on your next choice? You can do this by selecting a pre-saved template or clicking the Add Message template to write one out. Next is to send a message to the user multiple times. This means that if they comment more than once, they will receive a message each time. I like to only send a message once per user. Do you want to enable comment reply will allow you to leave a reply that we have already set up within the previous screen? I click this to yes, as it adds more engagement to my posts. Do you want to like the comment next? I often check this, meaning I gain more valuable points in the algorithm's eyes. I almost always keep on a generic message for all rather than filtering. This is because I have found that many people will not reply to what you were hoping they would, which would make your chatbot not fire and perhaps lose a lead. Add a campaign name and then save your work. And head back into your comment growth tools. This time, we will click on the automation and get everything working together. There is a small cog on each of the posts from the page, which is your settings. Once clicked, the cog will enable you to enable any of the previously set up templates. Select the auto comment template from the drop-down list, then select the schedule type. For example, we can select one-time or periodic for periodic. Select schedule, time, zone, campaign start time, and campaign end time. Also select the comment between times, select the auto comment type as random or serially, and then save it. Now, let's enable auto reply. We have already created an auto reply template. Select yes to use the saved template, select the template from the drop-down list, and click submit. We can also create a campaign for the entire page. We can create comments and inbox replies and auto like and share, enabling full page replies. This is very much the same as the comment reply template. We can also enable auto like and share. Click on the button to enable it to select the pages and delay time between doing the same for auto, like Facebook pages support only 2 Facebook pages for auto. Like, finally save it now.